Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today I want to talk about my personal gold trading strategy. In the daily time frame, we first mark the highs of the daily candles with a line. As you can see here, after that we move to a lower time frame, for example 4 hours time frame, and we check. I will show you here. Yes, whenever this high levels is broken by candle, we consider that candle as a buy zone. For example, this is buy zone. Buy zone. As long as the price is moving within this candle, we are not allowed to take sell positions, because this is the buy zone, not sell. We should search for buy positions. And also here, this candle is broken the high level, and here is another buy zone. If the low of this area is broken with a 4-hour candle close, then we can enter a sell position. Until that, we should look for only buy confirmations in this buy zone areas. Like here, only buy zone area. And we can also refine this zone by checking one lower time frame, such as the 1 hour time frame, for example. In this way we can analyze the step across all time frames and enter buy or sell trades accordingly. Also for sell position, we can use same, but for sell zones. Okay, best wishes for you, and I hope the best for you in trading. Any questions, please let me know in the comments, and thank you for watching this video. Good luck.